Do you want to earn money on the industry-leading technologies and trading? Then you are in the right place. First, fill in all the required fields to go through a quick registration. Click on the Create Account button to confirm it. When you log in to your personal account for the first time, you will have two options of the dashboard, namely Simple Dashboard and Professional Dashboard. Choose the one that suits you. You can simply click on this button to switch to the alternative dashboard at any time. Now, you need to rent your first bot. You can refill the balance with the desired amount or make the payment after choosing a bot. Examine information on the cost of rent, duration, and trade balance. Then, rent a bot that suits you best. Please note that only a free MiniBot 5 NFS bot and a paid Standard Bot 10 NFS are available in the beginning. Each subsequent bot is available for purchasing only after the previous one ends its life cycle. Next, click on the Select button to choose currency. This section displays all the details about this bot. Read all the information and click on the Refill button. That's all. Now you get income from Deep Trade Bot. The dashboard will display the information about the active bot. Here, you can see its performance. You can rent an unlimited number of bots. Start earning with Deep Trade Bot today.